We all are aware of the terms alpha, beta, gamma, delta, and they are used in physics, chemistry, or mathematics. But these are the strain of the coronavirus or the SARS-CoV-2 virus. The first variant of the coronavirus which was discovered was the alpha strain of the coronavirus, and the gamma strain was first discovered in Japan, and the beta strain is the UK strain, and the delta strain which has contributed in the second wave of coronavirus disease or the COVID-19 disease in India, and it was first discovered in India, and now the deadlier Delta Plus variant of coronavirus, which is going to be the cause of third wave of COVID-19 disease in India. And in this video I am going to discuss about this Delta Plus variant of coronavirus. So welcome to another video of OBG's Biology. First of all, we have to know the reason behind the generation of new variants of coronavirus. Coronavirus is a RNA virus, means their genetic material is RNA, and they can replicate or they can make their copies in a very short time, and at the time of their cell division or at the time of their reproduction there can occur some mistakes which is known as mutation, which can change the genetic material of the virus, or it can change the sequence or the RNA sequence of the virus. That's why there are many new variants or strains of this virus, as the coronavirus reproduce or they can make their copies in a very short period of time. So there are many new variants are occurring in a short period of time, and Delta Plus variant is one of them. First of all, the Delta variant was first observed in India, and now it is observed in 85 countries all over the world, which has the major contribution in the second wave of COVID-19 disease. But now the new variant, Delta Plus variant, is the mutated version of this Delta variant of coronavirus, and this Delta Plus variant is more contagious than any other strain of the coronavirus, and it is more transmissible than any other variant of the coronavirus. There have been more than 50 cases of this Delta Plus variant have been observed in India, and most cases of Delta Plus variant have been found in Maharashtra of India. And the main reason of the generation of this Delta Plus variant is the K417 mutation in the spike protein of the coronavirus, and this can be the deadlier strain of the coronavirus, as they can decrease the effectivity of vaccines, and it can avoid the immune response, and it is 50 to 60% more infectious than the alpha variant of the coronavirus. However, it was reported that the vaccines of India, the Covishield and Covaxin, are able to fight against the Delta variant of the coronavirus. But the concern is here that the Delta Plus variant can resist the effectivity of the vaccines. Anyone with a single dose of the COVID-19 vaccine is less safe from the Delta Plus variant of the coronavirus, and anyone with the double dose of COVID-19 vaccine is more safe against the Delta Plus variant of the coronavirus. So everyone should take their double dose COVID-19 vaccine to protect themselves from the coronavirus or the COVID-19 disease causing virus. To protect us from the third wave of COVID-19 disease, we have to maintain the COVID protocols, we have to wear masks, we have to maintain physical distance, we have to get our vaccines, and we will get out of our house when it is absolutely necessary, either not, and then we will only able to protect ourselves from the new variants of the coronavirus. So this is all of today's videos. So thank you for watching the video. Please like the video and share the video, and please subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed yet. So we'll meet you in the next video. Thank you.